Namaste friends. Today we'll have a topic beriberi. What is beriberi? Beriberi is a nutritional deficiency disorder caused by lack of vitamin B1, that is a thiamine. In homeopathy, rather than viewing it solely as a chemical deficiency, it is treated as a disturbance of the vital force that affects the body's ability to assimilate nutrition. Causes are thiamine deficiency, often due to diet consisting primarily of polished white rice which lacks the husk containing B1. Chronic alcoholism. Alcohol interferes with the body's ability to absorb and store thiamine. Increased demand. Pregnancy, breastfeeding, or high fever can deplete thiamine levels faster than they are replaced. Sorry. Sorry. Digestive issues, chronic diarrhea or malabsorption syndrome. Signs and symptoms. Beriberi is traditionally classified into two main clinical types. Dry beriberi, nervous system focus. Peripheral neuropathy, tingling, numbness, or a pins and needles sensation in hands and feet. Muscle wasting, significant weakness and loss of muscle function, especially in the lower legs. Mental confusion, difficulty with memory or speech. Wet beriberi, cardiovascular focuses. Edema, swelling of the legs and feet. Dyspnea, shortness of breath during activity when waking up at night. Tachycardia, increased heart rate and potential heart failure. Pathophysiology is thiamine acts as a coenzyme in carbohydrate metabolism. Without thiamine, the body cannot break down pyruvic acid into energy. These are the most important. This leads to an accumulation of pyruvate and lactate in the blood. This biochemical clog causes nerve damage leading to dry beriberi and vasodilation leading to wet beriberi where the heart must pump harder to maintain pressure, eventually leading to exhaustion. Homeopathy, according to Hahnemann's law. Dr. Samuel Hahnemann emphasized that we do not treat the name of the disease but the patient suffering from it. Removal of causes. Hahnemann's organ of medicine states that the exciting causes must be removed. Therefore, correcting the diet, adding unpolished rice, beans or nuts is a fundamental part of the homeopathic treatment plan. Homeopathic remedies are, first of all, arsenic album, indicated for wet beriberi with extreme restlessness, anxiety, exhaustion, and swelling that feels better with heat. Second most important homeopathic medicine and impressive medicine is Lithyrus. Lithyrus sativus, one of the most impressive medicine for paralytic weakness of the lower limb and muscle wasting. Dry beriberi. Digitalis, used when the heart is involved with a very slow or irregular pulse and a feeling that the heart might stop if the patient moves. Next one is phosphorus. For patients with burning sensation in the spine, then phosphorus becomes the medicine. Numbness in extremities and a craving for cold drinks. Gelsemium. Gelsemium is for extreme dullness, dizziness and drowsiness with heavy, weak limbs. So friends, that's all for today. Hope you like this video and you will share it to your nearest and dearest ones. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Honeyman.